And welcome, I'm Solo, and this is CN Gaming. In this video, I'll be going over how to set up your Canon camera as a webcam. Before I waste any more time, let's jump into it. So you got a Canon camera, you plugged it in with USB-C and nothing. You don't see any devices, you have it plugged in, it's turned on, everything's going, and nothing. Don't worry, I'll be going over how to set it up in OBS as a webcam. First thing we're going to need to do is double check your camera manual to make sure that it doesn't have a UAC mode to make it so that it auto detects as a camera. Some older models don't have this, but some newer ones do, so it's definitely good to check. My model of camera does have this here option, but we're going to do it through the webcam utility just because every model of Canon camera doesn't have that option. So to get started, we are going to have to jump over to Google, and we're just going to Google search for the Canon webcam utility. Now the first one that's going to come up is going to be the EOS Webcam Utility Pro and Utility Pro software. Any of these here should work. We're just going to click on the Pro software. We're going to go to the Windows download for us. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac download. Depending on your internet speed, it should only take a minute. Once it's done, we're going to open up the downloads folder. We're going to right click and extract all. We want to just click extract. And then from here, we want to go to the one that says the installer or application. So we're going to click on the startup application. And then we're going to click yes. And we're just going to go through the installer like any other installer. We're going to click yes, accept, next, accept the terms, and continue. It's going to ask you to create a desktop app and a start menu. We're going to click yes and install. We can close all this other stuff down in the background. Now after this is done, your computer may need to restart. So when we click finish, it's going to say you must restart your system for the configuration changes made in the EOS camera utility. So we're going to have to click yes, and it's going to restart your computer. So make sure that you save everything before clicking yes. Once you click yes, it's going to restart automatically. After your computer restarts, we're just going to open OBS again. And now in the devices, we should see the webcam utility and click OK. Now, it should just load up automatically. You shouldn't actually need to change anything else after that there. And just click OK, but you can go into the custom. And you're only going to have the one option of the 1280 by 720p. Unfortunately, the Canon camera through the webcam utility is only going to allow you the 720p. If you want more than that, you're going to have to either go into the menu and find the UVC mode, or you're going to have to go over HDMI and use a capture card. That's a little unfortunate. All you're really going to need for your webcam though is 720p. It absolutely looks amazing when it's a Canon camera. You can see it. It's very clear. After that, you can just click OK and you're done. That's really everything you need to make your Canon camera work as a webcam. So that's it for this one here. If you think I forgot or left something out, definitely leave it in the comments below. And if you like or found the video helpful, hit the thumbs up and get subscribed for more content. Thanks for watching. Bye!